Hey guys, this is a Canon Pixma MX492 printer that I just wanted to show you how to replace an ink cartridge. MX490 is pretty much the same, and there's a new one that's out. That's Canon Pixma TR4520. So when you have your printer on, in the like we have here, it's in the ready position, and you would usually have a low ink cartridge on here. You're going to open the front door just like so, and the ink cartridge carrier is going to slide to the center. Then when the ink cartridges are over here, you're going to just press down and pull them out. And then when you have new ones, make sure you remove, I don't have any right now to show you, but make sure you remove the cover that's over here. It's usually with a yellow tab, and you're just going to remove that and put it back in. The black goes on the right side, just like we see here. So that goes there, and you're just going to push it in. Do not force anything. Have it upright, push it in, and then it just locks up like so. And the same thing with the left cartridge, the color one, like here, like so. And when it beeps, that means you have installed it in there. Close the cartridge door, and you're all set. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.